Hi, my name is Sohib Solomon, and I attended the workshop by RubbySide and in association with the Shalby International Hospital. It was a very insightful session, especially for motorcyclists gathered here at Throttle Shuttle today, because it told us about to handle situations, especially when an accident takes place. And one of the things that was very interesting to me is during accident, the doctor took us a session, told us especially around amputation. If someone actually has an amputation that happens during an accident, maybe a finger or a limb that gets disconnected from the body, to how to wrap up the body and how to preserve that part of the limb, which if done properly in an ice pack can last up to 8 hours. So that was something new that I learned, and I think this session across is a great initiative, and it will help people and riders be more safe and ready to help a fellow rider in times of a crash. So thank you so much.